buy call, buy signal, green color candle open. Like this daily, automatically it will generate the calls like a signal in this chart. So this chart runs based on a 1 minute candle, a breakout strategy. We are using a breakout strategy. According to that breakout strategy, whenever the breakout happen, it will immediately give the calls like a signal in this chart. So right now you are watching this video like this daily, you just need to watch this chart. This chart will automatically give you the calls like a signal, entry, target and stop loss. Through these entries, you can do manual trading as well as auto trading by connecting your broker account. To this chart, you can do auto trading also. If you want the chart plan detail, kindly send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will provide you the plan details. We are watching a Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart. It's October 18th market. After 9:30, market was continuously in bullish direction. A breakout happened after 9:35. So buy call, buy signal, green color candle open. In few minutes, I will show in option chart also, out of the money option. So you will have idea about Bank Nifty future as well as Bank Nifty option. So in Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart, the buy call came at, can you see that straight white line from green candle? That is our entry line. Above line or target line, below line is the stop loss line. So the entry came at buy at 51,533, first target is 662. So it's a 129 point first target range, more than a 100 point target. Like this daily, this chart will analyze the candle breakout. So once the breakout happen in live market, it will give the calls like a signal. Through this call signal, you can do your intraday trading. After 10 minutes of volatile, market was in bullish direction only. So it easily break out the first target range. Within 15 minutes of buy call generated, it successfully break out the target. Bank Nifty weekly expiry 52,000 call option we are watching. The buy call came at buy at 133 and market move all the way to 170, 180 range. In few minutes, market started to move in bullish direction only. After 10 o'clock, again market was in bullish direction and break out the second target range also. Like this today call generated and break out both the target. If you want to subscribe for this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp.